Right now, this exact second, there are two versions of you fighting for control of your mind. One is calm, focused, the version you know you could be. The other one? It's replaying that embarrassing moment from 2019. Spinning a what-if scenario you never asked for. And it's winning. Here's what neuroscience actually says about that. The average person has up to 70,000 thoughts per day. Research suggests up to 80% of them are negative. But worse than that? Most aren't even original. They're recycled patterns. Programmed loops. Running on autopilot. And today, we're going to break that autopilot. The first thing you need to understand is this. Your thoughts don't feel uncontrollable because you're weak. They feel uncontrollable because no one ever taught you how the system works. Your brain has a default setting. Neuroscientists call it the default mode network, or DMN. It's the mental screensaver that activates the moment you stop focusing on something. And what does it play? Past regrets, future worries, stories about yourself you've been telling for so long. They feel like facts. This isn't a flaw in your design. It's a survival mechanism. Your brain's #1 job is to keep you alive, not to make you happy. Here's where it gets interesting. You have 3 brain regions fighting for the wheel at all times. First, the prefrontal cortex, your rational mind, your long-term planner. The CEO, logic, decisions, self-control, all live here. But it has a serious vulnerability, the amygdala, ancient, fast, emotional. This is your alarm system, and it fires before your prefrontal cortex can even respond. We're talking milliseconds. Add habit loops on top. Stimulus, routine, reward, repeat. And your mental patterns become nearly automatic. Nearly. There's a gap. And in that gap, your power lives. So if the science is clear, why do most people still feel completely at the mercy of their own minds? Because knowledge without a system is just trivia. A trigger fires. The amygdala tags it as a threat. Your thoughts begin looping, trying to solve something that has no exit condition. That's a thought spiral. Layer on top of that, cognitive biases. Confirmation bias. Catastrophizing. Your brain is constantly collecting evidence for whatever story it's already telling. Most people try to fight this with willpower. That's like arm wrestling a reflex. You can't outmuscle a pattern that lives beneath conscious thought. This is the part that changes things. I call it the A.I.R. framework. Awareness, interruption, redirection. Step 1. Awareness. The moment you catch yourself in a spiral, name it. Out loud if possible. There's the anxiety spiral again. There's the self-doubt loop. This single act lowers amygdala activity by nearly 50%. UCLA proved it. Step 2. Interruption. You need a circuit breaker. Deep breathing. Activates the vagus nerve. Cold water on your face. Move your body. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 grounding. Name 5 things you can see. These are neurological resets, not tricks. Step 3. Redirection. After the interrupt, give your mind direction, not suppression. Ask a better question. What would the calm version of me do right now? Questions force the brain into solution mode. That breaks the spiral. Awareness. Interruption. Redirection. Practice these 3 steps in sequence every single time. That's the system. That's A.I.R. Here's the final piece. And it's the one most people skip. Neuroplasticity. Your brain's ability to physically rewire itself. It's real. It's measurable. And it works in your favor if you use it. Every time you catch a spiral and apply A.I.R., you are physically strengthening a new neural pathway. The gap between trigger and reaction gets wider. That gap, that's where freedom lives. Build a simple daily system. 30 seconds every morning. Set 1 mental intention. 60 seconds at midday. Check in. 5 minutes every evening. Review what showed up. Small inputs, permanent outputs. You are not your thoughts. You are the awareness behind your thoughts. And when you understand that, truly understand that, nothing can hijack you the same way again. Start today, one thought at a time. If this hit differently, share it with someone who needs it. And subscribe, because we are just getting started.